to show you how to make a simple sliding knot for use with bracelets that you make with thin cord leather or embroidery floss. It's a lot nicer than having to tie it on your wrist, and it's adjustable for all different wrist sizes. So I'm going to show you how to do this with larger thread so that it's easier for you to see. So I'm going to use this purple for the bracelet and this blue for the knot tying. Overlap the ends of your bracelet a few inches. Then take a separate piece of cord. For a leather or thin cord bracelet, you're going to want to use about 6 or 7 inches. Mine is longer here just because I'm using this thick yarn. You want to make a tail. So make a loop with the tail that's just about as long as the overlapped part. You're going to hold that loop with your thumb so all the strands are together. The short tail is going to stay with the strands. Now you're going to take the long end of the cord and you're going to wrap it around all of the other strands about 4 or 5 times, and keep it really loose because you're going to be running the tail back through those loops. So don't tighten them up just yet. Okay, so once I've got my loops, I'm going to send this long tail back through all of the loops. And I'm also going to make sure it goes through this first loop here. Okay, now I'm going to grab that short end and the long end, and it looks like a mess right now, but as I gently pull those together, you're going to see that knot form. You don't want to do it too tight. You want to make sure that you can easily slide your bracelet. So now when you're done with that, you can either tie off and cut the cord so it matches the ends of your bracelet, or you can cut it short so you can't see the ends. And I would recommend putting a little glue or clear nail polish on your cord or leather if it can fray, just to keep it from fraying. This knot can be used for a variety of different bracelets, a lot of different types of cords and threads. If you like the bracelet I'm wearing, this is made out of metal washers. I'll link a video with the how-to in the description below.